Are you looking for more details on KleverKreator AI and how to make use of this tool to run your online business? Discover it inside my video today. But first, don't forget to check out my full review in the description box. Besides my using experience with KleverKreator AI, I also provide tons of additional bonuses that facilitate your marketing tasks. Let's get started. What is KleverKreator AI? KleverKreator AI is an artificial intelligence-based app that creates unlimited text-to-image graphics, illustrations, photos, digital art and much more for your blogs, websites, ads, and social media instantly. All it takes is just 3 simple steps to create mind-blowing graphics that engage your audience, generate leads and drive sales. So, what you can do with KleverKreator AI? Let me highlight the major benefits of using this intelligent app. Thanks to KleverKreator AI, you are able to create and download unlimited text-to-image graphics with no limitations. Generate images in multiple design styles, such as illustrations, digital art, cartoon, 3D, 8K, Reel, and 20 more to create the perfect picture for your message. Easily edit, modify, or customize your images with our powerful inbuilt image editor. Add filters, text, and various effects that will make your brand stand out from the rest of the crowd. Easily access all your campaigns and projects in the Projects tab. You can also save, delete, rename, or duplicate them as needed. One-click save to favorites and gallery. Access 50 million plus royalty-free stock resources with one keyword. Find viral meme to attract social media attention. Share and download your graphics instantly. Now, please check out how to use this technology in the following demo video. KleverKreator AI is unlike any other text-to-image website out there because it uses the power of artificial intelligence, AI, combined with a library of over 50 million royalty-free photos, videos, 3D renders and graphics to automatically generate amazing visuals in just one click. It is now easier and faster than ever before when you can just search through our huge database of images and videos to find exactly what you're looking for in a matter of seconds. Plus, you can easily customize your images and graphics to fit your brand and style without an inbuilt image editor. Last but not least, you get unlimited usage rights and commercial rights to sell your visuals and graphics to your clients without paying any hidden charges or monthly fees. Not many products available out there on the market can offer you that, I guarantee. Let's check out the real feedback and proof of using KleverKreator AI. You can buy now and start using the product right away with a one-time payment of only $17 in this special introductory launch. Check the link in the description box to lock in your discount and claim the bonus packages you want. I provide bonuses to help you overcome the struggles of creating content and video, driving traffic and building a list, and over 20 packages for you to choose from. Don't forget to check out the description box. Hopefully, through my KleverKreator AI review video, you can understand the product better. Still have questions? Comment down to let me know.